Think about this. What if you could make this thing just ordinary water? It's not even toilet water, it's just normal water. What if you can make this turn into this? What if you can make this happen? This turn into this. Now it sounds absolutely absurd, but in this video I'm going to share with you how to manifest money, how to turn water into money, how to manifest money using water. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Let's dive right into this video. Okay, so right here, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. So what if you can make money this big and a lot larger come into your life by using water? Now, it sounds absurd, but the very first step to realize is that you're predominantly water. Even your brain predominantly water. So think about that. Dr. Emoto, no longer alive, he did a lot of research on water. And what he found was your consciousness affected the actual structure of water or the memory of water. So you could actually send positive or negative messages to water, and using powerful enough microscopes, they could study and they could see the different composition of the molecules of that water. And what you consider then is you go, okay, well, I'm 70% water, you're 70% water. And if your thoughts affect outside water, don't you think they affect your body? And then get this, you drink that water all day. So what type of consciousness are you bringing, new consciousness, new life, into your field every time you drink water? So every time you drink this, just before you drink it unconsciously, you have certain thought patterns. Instead of putting positive energy or positive intentions into new life that's going into your cells, what most people do is they think unconsciously about the things that they do not want. What if instead you sent positive intention of financial prosperity every time you drank water? What if every time it became your actual subconscious prompt that you were so thankful that God's wealth flows to you in avalanches of abundance? What if every time you felt an overwhelming gratitude that large sums of money seemed to come to you quickly and easily, always? What if one of those two thought patterns were what you were putting into the memory of this water every single solitary day? They say you're supposed to have 12 cups of water. Let's say you had 12 cups of water. And every single time you were drinking it, the memory in this water was charged with the reality that God's wealth flows to you in avalanches of abundance. Comment that down below. God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. Comment that down below. Say it to yourself. God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. So let's reason here. If water has memory and you are predominantly water, you are actually charging your cells with the potential reality that you will or will not create, with the reality you intend to create or the one that you don't really want anymore, but your consciousness is stuck on that reality or complaining about that reality or wishing it wasn't so anymore. And you keep recharging the same cells with the same reality over and over again, and then you keep drinking the water, and then the water gets charged with those cells, and then what happens? You drink the water. When you drink the water, you replenish your same cell system with the same memory pattern of all the infinite realities that exist. All realities already exist, and you keep recharging the same realities over and over with what you do not want. Especially when it comes to money. This is the hardest thing for people, is because they're always reaffirming the reality that they don't want. They want more money, but they're frustrated because every time they look at their mobile banking, there's no money in it. Bob Proctor says this: does your thinking control your bank account, or your bank account control your thinking? It's a real question to ask. Which one controls your mind? Does your bank account control your mind? Because if your bank account controls your mind and there's not enough digits or commas in that bank account, or not enough zeros, what's going to happen? Your thoughts are going to be controlled by lack, and you're going to be in a consciousness of lack, of not enough money, of I am broke or I am frustrated with respect to money. Therefore, your consciousness will be consciously and subconsciously controlled by this. Therefore, every time you go to drink water, you're going to be instilling that memory with the same pattern over and over and over and over again. But when you can transform your mind, when you can be renewed by the transforming of your own mind, what gets to happen? You realize that everything is two things: what you want and the absence of what you want. And that the problem is most people are just focused all the time on the absence of what they want. They're so attached to their present reality that they keep affirming it, and then they keep instilling the memory of the water back into itself over and over and over and over again. Like, I've even seen people, I made a couple other videos like this, and I've even seen people that now that they have stopped me, and they said that they carry water bottles that say, I'm so grateful, large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. It's the best way. Water is literally God energy. Water is, in essence, a symbolism of God life force. And if you can instill that God life force with the intention of prosperity, you can bring money into your life. In order to turn this into this, you have to do a couple things. The first thing is you have to suspend your disbelief. Comment that down below. Suspend your disbelief. Nope, I'm not going to do that. You have to suspend your disbelief. What does that mean? A lot of people watch this video, and they watched this video, they clicked into it because it looked interesting. And then they started the video and they said it was ridiculous or absurd, or their old thinking and everything they've been told about reality came into play and they said this wasn't true, or this is absurd, or it's too new age. So they started the video and they X'd out, or they listened up until this point and they X'd out. Do not end this video. You have to have an open mind that's attached to nothing. If your mind is closed in any capacity, think about it like this. Pretend you're this cup of water. When your mind is closed, what happens? If you went over to the faucet right now and you tried to put water in this thing, what would happen? You wouldn't get any water into it. Why? Well, because your hand's over the cup of water, and you can't get any water when your hand's over the cup of water. Think about it the same way, like, this is you, universal intelligence in all possibilities. The infinite possibilities of the universe are always available to you. Fantastic financial opportunities, great breakthroughs, quick shifts in life are always available, but when your mind is closed, what happens? Well, it's not that easy. Look at my bank account. I didn't go to the right school, and I don't have the right resources, and this is silly, and it's very hard. As soon as you say that, you make that your reality. And what I'm inviting you to consider is that everything is energy. So think about it like this. This and all the 50s that I was just holding up are what? They're made of atoms. And what are atoms made of? 99% empty space. Seriously, that's what an atom, go on Google and type in what is an atom made of. It's made of 99.999% empty space. What is it? It's non-physical intelligence. It's consciousness. If you can take this consciousness and put it into natural life force that has memory, you can bring financial success into your life. But you have to suspend your disbelief. So if you want, you can even grab a Post-it note and you can write on the Post-it note, large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Say it one more time. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Just keep saying it. Large sums of money, they keep coming to me quickly and easily. I'm financially free. I'm financially independent. The government, the system will not hold me back. I am financially free. I am financially independent. Large sums of money flow to my life in avalanches of abundance. Every cell in my body is restored, renewed, and invigorated with God's prosperity. God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. Why wouldn't you do that all day? That's what I do all day. And probably don't write all of that on an index card because I don't think all of those words would fit. That was like, you might need like 6 pages. But write large sums of money come to me quick and easy. And then you can put it on a water bottle, you can put it on a cup, just to build the habit at the beginning. Every time you drink your water, say that statement, and then watch the money start to come back into your life. Okay, thank you for watching this video. My name is Jake Ducey from jakeducey.com. If you have not yet, I created a success hypnosis. It's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. You'll see it right there down below, pinned to the comments. It's a success hypnosis that I made to start reprogramming my subconscious mind because I realized I had a bunch of limiting thoughts from society that were blocking me from attracting the success that I wanted, the financial independence that I wanted. And I had all these limiting beliefs that I thought were real and realistic and rational, and I didn't even know that they were happening. That's the crazy thing about your subconscious. You don't know it's happening. You don't know the beliefs, the negative limiting beliefs that are blocking the money you could really have. Beliefs that your parents have put into your mind, your teachers have put in your mind, your grandparents, your foster parents, your old friends, the news. They put these beliefs into your mind, and you don't even know because they're subconscious, they're unconscious. You have to reprogram them. So right there down below is jakeshypnosis.com. You'll see it pinned to the comments right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com is right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. And it's free, and you can use that to start to reprogram your subconscious mind. Then hit the like button. It's right over there on the side. You'll see it. It's right over there. And then hit the subscribe button, the bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you're already subscribed, just double check. Have you actually hit the bell notification? It's right over there on the side. Subscribe, bell notification, like this, jakeshypnosis.com right there down below.